here at some hiking trail. Definitely some technical bits, but we'll see how it is. Yeah, I bet you this will work better than we think it would. This isn't even that bad. Actually, yeah, this is pretty bad. I'm drinking that water already. I just gulped. Oh shit.
Whoops. Yeah, get rid of that rock.
Don't chuck it down there though.
Bro, we're already fixing this trail.
Yep.
This rock is actually just
What
crumbled.
the hell? Maybe there's some like ancient bones in here and we just wrecked all of it. Let's go. This is honestly, this is a lot sketchier than I remembered it being. Like, imagine getting speed and ending up right here, just sliding down the mountain.
Right there.
Yeah. I don't know.
Holy shit. None of that is rideable at all.
Wait, how do you carry your bike up this? Wait, can you seriously help me, Paul? This isn't gonna work. Oh shit. I need to take a break. Holy shit.
Put the seat on my shoulder, then grab those branches with one hand. Yes, fine.
This is a bad idea.
Oh, that's a tire popping. Fuck, that's my tire popping.
Oh shit, are you gonna have to go down?
It's that dumb one that it just randomly pops open when it gets super hot.
So it's fine, right?
Yeah.
Let's go, Nikula. Some shade. Oh, nice shade down here.
Yeah, breathe.
The shade is better, Bala. Trust me.
Shade.
Yeah, shade is better than the rock. There's no wind at all.
Yes, I'm so happy.
I felt nauseous going up.
Me too. I felt like I was gonna barf like a million times.
Bad. Yeah. The fat lip.
I don't think I'm gonna ride. It's kind of thin. Oh, berm. steep. Whoop. Yeah. Whoa, that was sick. This way is better. Hurry up. Stairs doable. Oh, mine too. Don't do the stairs, ball. They're super sketchy. Alright, more of the story, don't come here to bike. Seriously, just don't trust us. It might have looked doable on the video, but it wasn't. And that ends the vlog. Make sure to like, subscribe, and donkey.